How to download and install the Klarna app. Want to start using Klarna quickly? Here's how to get the app installed in just seconds. First, open the App Store or Play Store according to your device. And now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your device. At the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type Klarna. Once you type it in, the list of the apps will appear. Find the official Klarna app and tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on install. Wait a few moments for it to download and install automatically. Once installed, open the app from your home screen. You'll see the welcome screen and options to sign up or log in. Ready for your next step. Make sure you have a stable network to avoid interruptions during download. Have you tried Klarna before? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can download and install the Klarna app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.